This is the basis for my new testing system. I'm going to be testing a lot of graphics cards from a GTX 260, way back when, 2007 or whatever, all the way up to RTX 4090. And I wanted a case where I can put a computer in there and it would just be what I run. And the case I decided on was on sale through Amazon. It's the Okinos Cypress 5. And it's a wood grain here, comes with 4 fans pre-installed. It was 60 bucks on sale, and it will easily fit my ROG B450 motherboard, non-Wi-Fi edition, but that's no big deal. So that's going to wind up going in there. And, you know, it's long enough to fit a lot of long cards. This is the same length as a 3080. So, as you can see, it'll be a slightly tighter fit, but I think it'll work well. I may wind up running a 240mm AIO up here, but it does have a cutout here, so I could run a 360mm AIO up here. But I will be doing a build video on this computer tomorrow and putting it up in the beginning of the week. So, I haven't forgotten about you kids. I just needed to wait for this case to show up. So, yeah, I think it's going to be a good build. I wish it had a vertical mount, but we can always order one of those.